Well, good morning, everybody. Right here doing a little bit of coffee scoop work and everything. And these are almost dry and we'll be able to do something with them. But you know how a lot of times we'll be out here doing our coffee or spoon work and stuff like that, and I'll say I'm going to take a coffee break. Well, we had been in contact with a company out of North Carolina, and coffee company, and it's Pine and Steel. Okay, and awesome folks, and I sent a really nice note, Joe Norton, and he had a family member's a retired Marine, and we spent time in the Marines ourselves, so really great. But anyway, I'll tell you what, if you could smell what's inside this box, it's truly amazing. All right, and it's like sensory overload. And we're going to do over the next few days or so, we're going to pick a type of coffee, and when we take our little breaks from carving our spoons and stuff, we're going to feature one of these types of coffee. This particular one is black iron roast. This is ironclad bourbon. This is machinist roast. Alright, and another ironclad. And this is a firehouse roast. Alright. And another ironclad bourbon. Okay. The information about this company will be put in the description, obviously. But really excellent bags. Look at that, the pull tab to open. And like I said, this isn't going to be just one video. I just wanted to get their company out there and let them know I truly appreciate this, and you will be featured in a number of upcoming videos. So this is awesome. Okay. So help me out here. Look, what goes first? Firehouse roast, machinist roast, ironclad bourbon, black iron roast. What would you like to test out first? A lot of birds out here, like the wild kingdom out here, but that's okay. I love having all the animals around. Kind of matches with this. Like I say, this company comes out of North Carolina, and let's see here. Make sure I'll show you again. Pine and Steel. All right, guys. So help me out. Tell me in the comments exactly what we're going to do first. Amazing is it was roasted on the 18th of May, and I already have it. It's just amazing how fast this stuff goes, and each bag has a date when it was roasted on. Love bags. And we got information on the back side. It says, crafted for balance, body, and bold character, this coffee is roasted in small batches to deliver a smooth, dependable cup with depth and strength worthy of the Pine and Steel name. Out of Hickory, North Carolina, Pine and Steel Coffee Company.